Welcome back to Mama Quata's channel! Nag-unag di pa. Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Quata's channel. For today's video, I will show you how to make the authentic native puto balanghoy or the steamed cassava. I'm so thankful for my beautiful niece in England, Jean Robson, for sharing me this recipe. So, are you excited? Let's go! Our authentic native puto balanghoy or the steamed cassava. Okay guys, so after steaming the cassava, I put some star margarine. Hindi to sponsored ha. So for our toppings, just put a little bit of star margarine on top, or you want, if you don't have any star margarine, you just use margarine, plain margarine or butter, and then sprinkle it with brown sugar on top, a little bit, ta-da! And that's it. Okay guys, and the most awaited part is the tasting time, the tikim-tikim. I want more margarine or the butter. So, ayan. So, still very hot. Uh-oh. Look at. want some? Pa? Mm. So, this is our native puto balanghoy is just very easy and simple because it just have 3 ingredients only. The coconut, grated cassava, and the brown sugar. So, that's it. So, this is our native puto balanghoy or the steamed cassava. Okay, I'm so thankful to Jean Robson in England, my beautiful niece, for the recipe. Jean, thank you so much. I missed you. Mwah. So that's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quata's channel. Bye for now. God bless you all. Mwah. I love you guys.